Cannot open password protected PDF file. Forgot PDF password. How to open PDF file without password. You can get an amazing PDF unlock tool from PassFab official website or the link below. Now, run PassFab for PDF. Select Recover PDF Open Password. Click Add to import your encrypted PDF file. Then choose one attack method. Click Start. Once done, your password will be displayed on the interface. Copy it to unlock your PDF file. If you want to remove password, go to File, select Properties, go to Security tab, choose No Security and Security Methods.